Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base Faucet website, and that Faucet website you can claim your free Litecoin. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, first you need a Faucet Pay. If you don't have Faucet Pay, link in description, click the link and come here, make a Faucet Pay. This is the website. This website pay you this much Satoshi every 10 minutes. Okay, just put your Litecoin wallet address in here. Go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address. This is the Litecoin wallet address. Copy it and come here, paste it. Okay, and just click a claim. First step, just solving this capture. The next one is this capture. Okay, this one told you the bicycle. Just click the bicycles and just click next. Next one, the next bicycles. Okay, and just click check and solving this capture. Okay, I solve it. Just I click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay without any timer, without any seconds. Every 10 minutes you can come back and claim again. Right now you know about the Litecoin price. The Litecoin price is right now very high. About that, this website pay you least. If the Litecoin price come down, this website pay you much more. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.